Okay guys, on February 25, 2024, now you can see that this is my little jewel plant, or botanically it is called as the pachyphytum compactum rose. There is one Graptosedum bronze as well, the brownish one. But now in this video we will try to propagate our little jewel or pachyphytum plant from leaf cuttings. Now you just need to twist this leaf in such a way that no part of the leaf left on the stem. The most important part of the leaf is the part through which it is being connected with the stem. It has a lot of stem cells that will help to produce a new baby plant. Okay, like this you can see that we have taken a lot of leaves, around 10 to 10 to, okay, like from 8 to 10 leaves we have taken. Okay, now again we will take some more leaves. Okay, from side to side you need to twist the leaf or exert small pressure on one side of the leaf so that it will come out easily. Like this you can see that this one, okay, and this one, okay. Usually the success rate is around 90 to 94%. Okay, the succulents are the most easy plants to multiply in my observation. We are just taking our leaves, more and more leaves. Okay, we have nearly taken all of the leaves from 3 rosettes. Okay, and one more thing, that you must have to dry these leaves for certain days. Okay, and there are around 3 methods for these leaves to propagate. The dry method, okay, and one is called as the soil method, and one is called as the water method. Okay, so the 3 of the cuttings are like totally naked. Now we have taken a lot of leaves. Now I will focus my cam so that you can see that all of the leaves are plucked properly with no part left on the stem. Okay, on March 9, 2024. Now I am actually dubbing the voice on the video so that you will not see any sort of change in my voice. Now we have taken our media, which consists of 50% simple soil and 50% sand, okay, construction sand. So it is a little bit drainy media. Now you can see that because we cannot place the leaf on the clay-like soil. Okay, so it's better to have a good drainage media for leaf and succulent propagation. Now you can see that this is my pot, which actually is a PET bottle, and due to the PET bottle high resistance to the light and environmental factors, it is the, after like HDPE, it is considered as the best in the outer environment. Okay, so it is not going to destroy for next 10 years, so I can plant again and again all sort of my plants in this soil, in this PET bottle. So now just pour the media. And one more thing, that you are not supposed to put a lot of media, because if you will put a lot of media, it has a lot of capability to retain and absorb the moisture. So better is to put a little bit of media on which your leaves used to place. Okay. Now this is my media, a single and simple thin layer. Now first you need to water them out. Okay, water it out. Okay, like this. Then level the media with the spade or any other thing. Now this is my metallic forceps through which I can like place my leaves on the media. And one more thing, you observe that the water just oozes out from the bottom of the pot. Why? Because I have a lot of holes in my pot, so better is to like you can even do one or two holes. Okay, but if you will make a lot of holes on the bottom side of the pot, the better the drainage will. Okay, so now I will place the leaves in such a way that their lower part is just touching the ground. Okay, or a little bit embedded into the media. This. Okay, if we will totally bury this pot in the soil, still it is, although it can also with that method we can produce a little bit a little baby plant, but still better is to just touch the leaf with the media so that roots will form and they will absorb water for this leaf from the soil, like this. This. Eleven leaves have been placed, and now this one. This one. Now you can see that I have placed all of my nearly all of my leaves. So and one more thing, that after we have placed, never put these leaves in the bright sun. Okay, you can place this pot in a shady area with bright light. Okay, the diffuse sunlight, the actual word is diffuse sunlight for these succulents, it is very good. If you will place directly in the sun, the leaves will get wilted. So now we have to wait for certain weeks to get baby plants from these leaves. Now one more thing, that we have placed these plastic plastic sports or plastic sport for to put our leaves on these as well. Now nearly all of the leaves have been placed. So let them dry for a few weeks. Okay, on April 26, 2024, now after a lot of time, we got our little baby plants that emerges out from the tip of the leaves. All of the leaves are being displaced a little bit due to rain and wind, but still they manage to produce little baby plants on their tips. Now you can see properly, especially those are in contact properly with the soil, they have produced very healthy baby plants. So this is my result. Now you can see it okay, a little bit closely. You can see it that a little baby plant emerges out from the tip of the leaf. Okay, so now I will make one more go through. You can see that, and there are on some leaves there are multiple plants. There are multiple baby plants on single leaf. Okay, so you can see it. One more leaf, you can see, although the leaves health is not good, but still it manages to produce a single baby plant. So hopefully you got the concept that how we can produce little jewel baby plants from the leaf cuttings. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.